Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and happy holidays. And to start off the holidays, I have a few wintry, Christmassy themed plushies for you guys today, and one really special one. Today I'm going to start off with showing you a little bat ornament I made for the holidays. His name is Lemon Meringue, and he's a little felt ornament. And I've been seeing a lot of crafty YouTubers make little felt ornaments, and I wanted to give it a try. And it was actually really fun. Really time consuming, but I really love the way he turned out. My bat pattern actually translates pretty well, just leaving it as a little two-dimensional felt plushie, so it's really cute. And this is the smallest pattern ever for my bat plushies. He is just he fits in the palm of your hand. He's so tiny. Gave him a cute little scarf, and he's been chilling on my tree ever since. For my next plushie, he was a little not planned out kind of plush, but I did really like the gold fabric, and even though because of its texture it was extremely hard to work with, I think I did pretty good in salvaging him, making him as adorable as possible. This is my little, I guess, Santa themed bat. His name is Old Saint Nautilus, which is a type of bat actually. It seemed pretty close to Nicholas to me, so I went with that. If you go to my Instagram or his shop listing on my Etsy shop, I rewrote the Santa Claus song to fit him, and I don't know, it was a little fun thing to do when I was posting his pictures. But his wings are made out of fuzzy minky or furry minky. The red on his hat and coat, it's just a regular red minky, and his belt is like crushed velvet kind of fabric. He has little button eyes that were very, very difficult to put in. I needed my husband to help me with that. And he has an embroidered nose because I have yet to see safety noses that are that tiny, so I had to do some improvising. His ear is there. I just somehow was able to make the hat the perfect size to fit over his ear. And he got a little puff ball. He actually has a little gut, so this is my first chubby bat, and I think it's really cute. I used the same fabric on his fur to make a little belt buckle, and yeah, he's definitely a very, very unique plushie. Don't mind that. He's a very unique plushie, and he is very cute. I'm just really happy he came out this well. Now, on to the next one. For this next plush, he's actually a new design in my, I guess, style of plushies. And I actually had been wanting to make him for a very long time, almost 2 years now. And I don't know, I think I was just too nervous making the face. But I decided to say, you know what? It's winter and I need a cute little owl bat in my life, and this camera really needs to focus because why isn't it focusing here? There we go. Yeah, this is a new pattern addition and also a new addition to my shop. This is Eversnow, and he is a very adorable little pure white barn owl. And for him, he kind of has a more interesting backstory. I think of him as the spirit of winter. he's what brings the first blanket of snow onto the ground in the colder climate. I am actually very impressed with how I did the face because, unfortunately, the face is not an easy task, so I probably won't be making a lot of barn owls. His eyes are buttons, they're not safety eyes, and his beak is actually made from, I guess like a soft leather, black leather, and I figured it would look nice as the beak. I extremely love barn owls. They are my favorite type of owl out of all of them. I just find them so enchanting. His scarf is made out of a flannel pattern cotton fabric, so it's one of those thinner cotton sheets, and I decided to sew in some red yarn as the fringe, just to give it a nice little extra touch to it. His wing pattern's completely different from the bat's, so it's a little more tricky to do, so it's not very easy to replicate, especially to get a mirror image on both sides, but you know. And if you also go on his Instagram post or his listing, I made a special little poem just for him. That's kind of how much he inspired me. And for this last plush, she's really special, so I'm probably gonna need a little help bringing her out here. Here we go. Wow. This is Red Velvet. She is my biggest plush. She is the same size as Blueberry Fizzle was, and since I hadn't made a giant plush since, I figured why not go all out this holiday season and make a beautiful, fully minky, nice red wine colored bat. And everything's minky, minus the collar, of course, which is a lace that I've had for years. But she is incredibly soft. Oh my god, she is the perfect pillow. Oh, and just for size comparison, this is the owl, which is in the medium size. Same as Old Saint Natalis, and my tiniest bat pattern against my largest bat pattern. Let's see if he will stay up here. Wow. Just wow. Yeah, she is about 17 inches tall, 26 inches wide, and that is just incredible. I don't know what much to say. She's just so big and squishy and soft, and she will just make anyone so happy to just have as a pillow or a nice little throw decoration. Oh my god, her fur is just so silky. I love it. Yeah, these are all my plushies for now, winter themed, and these 3 are currently in the shop. If you want to check them out, please check them out. They need to be adopted. They need a home. I worked really hard on them. Well, bye-bye for now. I'll see you in the next video when I make some more holiday plushies, so that should be really soon because I have quite a few in the works. And I'll see you then. Bye-bye!